In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Cloudflare to find your account ID. This is a straightforward process, but knowing your way around Cloudflare can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you are managing multiple domains or need to ensure everything is running smoothly. We're going to make this easy and enjoyable, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Cloudflare website. If you already have a Cloudflare account and you're logged in, that's fantastic. If not, make sure you log in using your credentials to access all the features we'll discuss today. Once you've logged into your account, you'll arrive at the Cloudflare dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for managing your websites and reviewing the security settings Cloudflare provides. From here, you can handle everything from DNS management to web security with ease. Now, your next move is to locate your specific domain. This is typically straightforward. All your domains associated with your Cloudflare account are listed clearly. Simply select the domain name you want to manage. Once you do, you'll be taken to the overview page for that specific domain. Now, this page is rich with information, but what you're looking for is your account ID. To find it, you'll need to scroll down a little bit. As you gradually scroll, pay close attention to the right side of the screen. This is where Cloudflare conveniently displays your account ID. It's an alphanumeric string unique to each account, acting as an identifier for Cloudflare's services. Having this account ID is essential for various configurations you might want to perform or when reaching out to Cloudflare's support team. It ensures your queries are directed accurately and efficiently to the right account, helping expedite any processes you might need their assistance with. And that's it. You've successfully located your account ID. As simple as it sounds, this little piece of information can be very powerful when utilized correctly. If keeping track of these IDs is part of your routine, you might consider keeping them recorded in a secure, easily accessible place for convenience. So, to recap, just head over to Cloudflare, navigate to your domain, scroll down on the overview page, and locate your account ID on the right-hand side. With practice, you'll be able to do this in seconds, streamlining your management tasks on Cloudflare. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further clarification, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Until next time, happy managing.